Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. A research team in Italy has developed a humanoid robot drummer capable of performing complex drum patterns with over 90% rhythmic accuracy. This breakthrough, a collaboration between Politecnico di Milano, SUPSI, and IDSIA, explores the creative and artistic potential of robots in musical performance. The Robot Drummer project was inspired by the idea that drumming could be an ideal way to showcase a humanoid's coordination and sense of rhythm. Using a Unitree G1 robot and machine learning systems, researchers translated musical pieces into rhythmic contact chains, precise sequences of strikes on a drum kit. This allowed the robot to learn human-like drumming behaviors, such as stick switching, cross-sticking, and optimized movements. The learning algorithm was tested in simulations across various genres, including jazz, rock, and metal, achieving over 90% accuracy on songs like In the End by Linkin Park and Livin' on a Prayer by Bon Jovi. The robot could even anticipate sequences and reassign drumsticks much like a professional drummer. The team now aims to enable the robot to improvise and react to musical cues in real time, increasing its autonomy in live performances. Beyond music, the researchers believe this technology could be applied to various fields, such as motor rehabilitation and industrial training. This innovation aligns with a global trend of collaborative robots that assist humans rather than replace them, much like a similar project in Germany where a robot helped masons construct climate-optimized walls, enhancing precision and sustainability. Both examples illustrate how robots can expand human capabilities, not substitute them. The robot drummer enriches creative expression in music, while the construction robot improves precision and sustainability in craftsmanship. This trend, dubbed the guided expansion of craftsmanship, highlights a future where machines are allies that amplify human skills and create new possibilities. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.